bitches crawl. Oh, skeet skeet motherfucker. Oh, skeet skeet goddamn. Oh, skeet skeet motherfucker. Oh, skeet skeet goddamn. Shorty crunk, so fresh, so clean. Can she fuck? That question's been harassing me in the mind. This girl is so fine. I done come to this club about 50-11 times. Can I play with your panty line? Club owner said I need to calm down. Security guard is sweating me now. I got drunk and a motherfucker threatened me now. 369, damn, you're fine. Hoping you can sock it to me, baby, one more time.